Step 1. Unpack your hidden sound cube and plug the two hidden sound speakers audio cables into the two RCA jacks in the hidden sound cube's back. Step 2. Install, screw in the Bluetooth antenna carefully and be sure to connect the external power supply to the power outlet first and only then to the hidden sound cube power jack. The indicator light on the back panel will then light up. Place the hidden sound cube as centrally as possible in relation to the two satellites and the satellites as far apart as possible. Try to place all three elements at least 15 centimeters away from any wall or solid surface and if possible, never in corners. Step 3. Turn the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, TV or PC on. Find Hidden Eco or Hidden Evo on the list of your devices and connect it. Once connected, no other user can connect to the sound set until you disconnect from Bluetooth. Alternatively, you can connect with a Wi-Fi streamer using a downloaded Wi-Fi app. Step 4. Find a cool music source on your smartphone, TV or PC, press play and enjoy. Just one last thing, step 5. Make sure that the audio quality setting on your digital music service provider is always set on high quality.